Hey guys, welcome back. So today I want to show you my freshwater aquarium. I usually post videos with my sea monkeys and they rest right on top of this tank. So I never really give this tank the time of the day or show it off at all. So today let's take a closer look and I'll show you what I got. So I do have two clip-on LED lights as well as an E-Heim auto feeder that feeds my fish automatically. And the filtration is pretty simple. I got a sponge filter back there as well as a little pump to pull the water through the overflow, and I do put a little bag of carbon back there as well that I change once a month. As for livestock, I do have 3 Galaxy rasboras as well as an albino cory catfish, a Julie cory catfish, and a green cory catfish, and I also have a black molly in here as well. Now I do have some cherry shrimp and some assorted rainbow shrimp.